TNMG stock analysis and TNMG stock prediction. What I'll be doing here is just showing you my exact play. TNL, like Mediagene stock, honestly shifted very hard, very decent, and I was so open-minded to taking it further up. Like, sad part is that I actually started shifting, getting lower lows. But unless I do see the price giving me the proper shift that I want to see, then I guess I'm not going to be buying. And people are going to see here on overcomplicate. Since we're so close, I'm like still open-minded to it, you know. And notice how I'm not going to buy unless it actually makes sense and there's all the proofs, all the proof is met and all that good jazz. So TNMG, I have like one result here. If you want to get the salts that take me 5 years to learn with 1,260 result sales, right, or people that have tried it risk-free, click the first link in the description. It expires soon. Goodbye and enjoy. Really nothing else that I'll be adding onto this. So yeah, goodbye and enjoy. It's risk-free. First link below. Check it out.